Dicentra spectabilis, known as bleeding heart, is a pretty perennial that I grow in my garden, and I started it from bare root. I got from one of the nurseries by mail, and I actually provide very little care, if any, for mine, and I hardly ever water the area where it's at. But it grows mostly in the spring, and it's growing right now in April, blooming right now, and it likes a lot of organic material. It's hardy in zones 3 through 9. It loves morning sun, and if the soil gets really dry, you might want to water it. It likes moist soil and morning sun. It might tolerate some afternoon sun, but not very much. It would be best with a lot of organic material on the north side of your house. It just thrives in moist, well-drained, humus-rich soil. And if you're planting a potted plant that you receive, just dig the hole twice as deep and plant the pot at the same ground level, and then fill it back in, holding the pot at ground level. It will grow taller and wider as you have it, and you can water it if you want, but just don't overwater it. And I don't even water mine at all. It's growing here in the shade underneath a maple tree with some other shade-loving plants like hostas and ferns. So I don't even fertilize it or anything. It thrives in temperatures like 55 to 75, and spring and early summer are best. And I don't mess around with any pruning or anything. And when it starts to die back in the heat of the summer, that's normal, and just leave it there, and it will come back next spring. And when the tulips are blooming, you can see it coming up out of the ground. And I think that's about it. Just make sure it has morning sun and not too much afternoon sun, and keep it moist. And the hotter the sun, you might want to give it more water, and lots of organic material. I always have lots of leaves and sometimes some aged wood chips in my garden, and I never ever rake inside my flower bed. And do those things, and it should grow just fine in your garden like it is right here. And if you like that video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep making these videos. And thanks a lot, and goodbye.